The successful conclusion of LogiMAT 2024, looking forward to the future development of intelligent logistics. From March 19 to 21, the Stuttgart International Exhibition Center in Germany successfully hosted the LogiMAT 2024 International Logistics and Supply Chain Management Exhibition this week, attracting nearly 1,000 companies from around the world to participate, showcasing the latest logistics technologies and solutions. At this exhibition, attendees witnessed the latest technologies and innovations in the field of logistics. Automation, intelligence, and digitization became the themes of the exhibition. Companies showcased their latest automated warehousing equipment, intelligent logistics systems, and applications of IoT technology. Smart devices such as robots, AGVs, drones, etc., attracted attention, demonstrating their enormous potential in improving efficiency, reducing costs, and optimizing supply chain management. Meanwhile, the application of digital technology also became one of the highlights of this exhibition. The display of various software and platforms provided companies with more convenient and efficient supply chain management solutions. From intelligent warehouse management systems to predictive analytics tools, digital technology is bringing revolutionary changes to the logistics industry. During the exhibition, participants also engaged in in-depth discussions on the challenges facing the logistics industry and explored future development directions. Environmental protection, sustainable development, as well as the flexibility and reliability of the supply chain, became the common focus of the participants. They unanimously agreed that through wider cooperation, technological innovation, and continuous industry upgrades, the logistics industry will usher in a more prosperous and sustainable development. As the LogiMAT 2024 Logistics Exhibition successfully concludes, looking forward to the future, people are full of confidence in the development of the logistics industry. As an important event in the global logistics industry, LogiMAT looks forward to the future and will continue to lead the innovation and development of the logistics industry.